All right, I hope you're ready for another Disney Plus Star Wars series. Obi-Wan Kenobi finally will be playing on Disney Plus in May. It's going to feature the same Ewan McGregor. Sorry if I got the name wrong. He's going to play Obi-Wan Kenobi again. They're also going to have the Hayden Christensen playing the Darth Vader, Anakin Skywalker. So that's a cool thing. Going to have a good cameo there. And basically, it's just going to take place of what Obi-Wan does on Tatooine while he watches Luke as he grows up with his aunt and uncle. And so let's hope this series is as good as The Mandalorian, since The Mandalorian's been doing well. Boba Fett, or actually the Book of Boba Fett, has been doing pretty well. Has sort of a Mandalorian 2.0 kind of a sense. So this one is actually set for May, and so it'll probably run maybe May through June or so. And we'll see. We'll see. I mean, Obi-Wan's a great character. I've always liked watching him in the old movies in the beginning in the 70s, and I also liked him in the newer movies. So we'll kind of see how this plays out. It's pretty much going to take place on when Anakin became Darth Vader, before Luke Skywalker became a teenager, and then became a Jedi and so forth from the movie series. So it looks to be good. If you guys have Disney Plus, this is something that you'll want to make sure you stick around to watch in May. And once I find out more, I'll come back here and give you guys some reviews, or you can check me out on my other social media channels, and I'll be covering it over there. So I hope you guys like this. Hope you tune in May and check it out. Like I said, if you are not subscribed, subscribe to my channel here. You get more videos like this, and give it a thumbs up. So I thank you guys for watching. I'll come back with more, and let's hope May is going to be a good month for Disney Plus and Star Wars.